This is the Alphacool Aurora addressable RGB LED ring, and this is designed to work with your HardTube lines and to be placed along one of your HardTube runs to give it illumination around the HardTube, the fitting, as well as the fluid. So included in the kit is one of the LED rings, as well as a adapter cable. This adapter cable allows you to hook it up into any 5-volt addressable RGB header on your motherboard, or if you wanted to, you could purchase one of these Alphacool digital RGB controllers. And this RGB controller will hook directly up into the LED ring simply by using the 2 pin that are here and the 1 pin and connecting it to the 2 pin and the 1 pin. And as you can see, it's doing a fancy effect that the controller has programmed in it. Now the controller allows you to adjust what type it is, what color it is, how fast it is, slow it is. But on top of that, you also have a split in this cable. So if you wanted to run multiple setups, what you could do is hook up multiple fittings. The fittings come in 2 different sizes, 13mm as well as 16mm, and they also come in 2 different finishes, the chrome and the black. But again, if you wanted to hook these up together, all you would have to do, say this is going to your digital port, and then this is going to split to the other digital RGB light. Boom, and you connect them like that, and then you provide this power. Again, we're going to provide it off of the digital controller here. Plug it in, and as you can see, both lights are having a similar effect, and you can change the effect by, obviously using the controller. So change the mode, change the speed, whatever you'd like it to be, you can make it happen. Now these fittings are readily available from Alphacool and their many distributors and would be a great addition to any custom build.